Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: shrimp and grits. Let's get to the ingredients: sugar, black pepper, salt, Cajun seasoning, dried parsley, olive oil, garlic, dry white wine, red bell peppers, white onion dice, and jalapeno pepper, unsalted butter, whole milk, lemon, scallions chopped, andouille sausage, grits, tomato paste, and of course, the shrimps. I've peeled them, deveined them, and washed them in lemon juice and cold water. The first thing is we're going to make the grits. I have a sauce pot here, and I'm going to turn it on medium high. We're going to add the milk, let it simmer. Then we're going to add some water. We're going to add the sugar and the salt. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we're going to let the milk come to a boil. Now that the milk has come to a boil, we add the grits and we whisk it in slowly. We keep whisking it. Then we whisk it until it comes nice and smooth, no lump. Keep whisking, and then we turn it down and we cook it for about 30 minutes. Now, while the grits is cooking, let's start making the shrimp. I have a frying pan here, and I'm going to turn it on medium low. Now, with the shrimp, we're going to add the black pepper, some Cajun seasoning, and we mix this up together. Now, the next thing is we add the olive oil to the pan. Then we add the shrimps. and let them saute up. We cook them for about 2 minutes on each side. Now it's time to flip the shrimp over to the next side. And we're going to add the andouille sausage. We let them saute up for about a minute. Now it's time to take the sausage out. We put them in the bowl with the shrimp. The next thing is we add the garlic, the onions, the red pepper, the jalapeno pepper, and the tomato paste. We let all of this saute up together for about 2 to 3 minutes. I've added the sausage and the shrimp back into the pan and the wine and some water. We let this cook up together for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check the grits. Yes, it's almost ready. Then after the grits is cooked, we add the butter and whisk it together and cover it up. Now it's time to add the butter to the grits. We whisk this up together. Okay. Then we cover it up and turn it off. And now it's time for us with the shrimp and the vegetable and andouille sausage. We're going to add the scallions. And we let this cook together for about 1 minute. Then we serve it up. I've plated it up and I'm going to add a little dried parsley. That is just for garnish, it's optional. Here you have it, shrimp and grits. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.